G'day guys, it's been a while. Got a lot of things going on at the moment. One of them is this. We've just become distributors in Australia for Flex from Magic Motorsport. So these are the tuning devices to be able to remap ECUs, TCUs, cloning modules, DTC deletes, emissions deletes, whatever you want to do. This is what we've got in stock. We've got heaps in stock. If anyone wants a unit as a slave or a master, just give us a buzz, contact us. What's in the box? Let's have a look. Let's turn it around. Okay, so I'm fumbling around with it a bit, but let's have a look. There we are. Flex unit, bench mode box there. Let's get this up and have a squeeze what else we get. Let me put this down there for now. All our cables, USB to computer, all our adapters, heaps and heaps of accessories here, power cords, OBD cable, so heaps in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this set up. We're going to set it up on the computer, and we're going to do a ECU remap on this BMW X3. So if you want to see how it works, if you haven't seen it before, I'll do a ECU remap for you, so stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, and in the next couple of days we'll get this ECU remap done.